I just fixed some pavers right here. She called me up and said that the chipmunks are under there and they're knocking the pavers apart. I didn't believe her, so I came here and it was true. They were building a nest under there in pathways. So just a quick, I'm going to show you how I just did that and patched it up. But also the chipmunks are getting under here and they are starting to dig it out. So we just got to raise them up a little bit. I'm going to get 1 bucket of sand, masonry sand, or you could use clay sand. Just going to add, I'm just going to add about 3/4 of a shovel of Portland cement. I'm just going to mix it up dry. Don't put any water in it, just dry. Now I'm going to get these out of here and get a couple of screwdrivers to keep working my way up until I get it out. And then get this one back in there. So now, because of these chipmunk tunnels, I add a little more cement to the sand, and that should stop them from doing that. Get out of here. See, they glued this too. That's what they teach you to do, is use glue. See the glue on there? So, throw some sand in there, just like that. I'm going to pound it down, and when that dries, that's going to be the end of it. Those chipmunks won't be able to do that no more. So we found our chipmunk nest and the holes. I gotta go get another nest for the winter. I'm just gonna fill it with that cement sand, that's all. That's why sometimes it's another reason I use concrete under my pavers when I pour something small, because I know what's going to happen. And that's it. Sometimes you gotta lift it up a little bit. Now I gotta get this one in there. Sometimes you gotta pound underneath them to get them up. Like that. And then pound to get them in. Like that. And I just throw some regular mason sand in it, sweep it in.